Hey, my name is Bhavani Kola. Welcome back to another session of Face to Face to Online Transition. In today's Teaching with Teams session, we will be looking at how can you take attendance from your Teams meeting. As an instructor, you always want to know who's attending, who left, and who rejoined your sessions. So without a further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. So here I am in my Teams meeting. If you are an organizer, when you move all the way to the right, you will see these three ellipses. When you click on it, you will see download attendance list. I'm going to go ahead and download that right now. And it is downloading. Let's go ahead and take a look at the downloads to see what we have. So when I click on it, here is my download. Here is my meeting list. I'm going to double click and open it up. Okay. And as you can see, I'm just going to extend these. Okay. As you can see, Kola Bhavani joined the session and I have Bhavani Kola. I joined the session as a student. I joined, I left, I joined, I left. It kind of gives you a detailed explanation of when the student actually joins, when the student leaves, and when the student rejoins again. And as an organizer, you can always go back even after your meeting is done to download the attendee list. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please make sure you go ahead and like, subscribe, and if you think it's worth sharing, please go ahead and do so. If you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to comment below, and happy teaching!